Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2, what we know, part 1, coming up. Here is what we know regarding the DJI Mavic Pro 2. These are all factual statements that I'm going to be going through in this two-part series, so we're going to get started right here. First, we do know that the photo last Friday night, published by OsitaLV, was a fake. Second of all, we do know that OsitaLV put out renderings with some details regarding the DJI Mavic Pro 2. Third, we also know that with those renderings and details, he also stated that there would be a release date of late spring for the DJI Mavic Pro 2. What all this boils down to is, with what transpired last Friday night, this information, the renderings, the details, the release date, it cannot be substantiated. We do not know if this is or is not fact. So at this point, we have to assume this is not a fact. With the game that OsitaLV played last Friday night, caused many of the people who had believed him with the information that he's provided to doubt him and to doubt him as a source. And I am in that group as well. I do doubt him as a source right now. Autel EVO. What does Autel EVO have to do with all this, Bill? Original Dobo and I had a great conversation the other evening, and you definitely want to check that out. We had talked about the Autel EVO at length, and he also just recently, as of yesterday, put out a Autel EVO raw video of some great information that he had from his conversations with the representatives from Autel. One of the things that he did state was that the representatives told him from Autel that they're very firm in their belief that Autel has no competitors. Crazy as that sounds, that they're in business for themselves. They're in business. They're a one drone company, obviously because of the resources, and they are out there to get out the best product for themselves, which is believable. DJI, on the other hand, okay, you can bet that they want to stay ahead of the curve with this. As I did in a recent video regarding statistics of drones that are registered with Kitty Hawk, Sally French, the drone girl, put out some sales statistics. In 2016, DJI had a 50% market share. In 2017, DJI had a 72% market share. So you can be sure that if the Autel EVO gets released, that when the Autel EVO gets released, that either the Mavic Pro 2 is not going to be far behind or it's going to be ahead. I can tell you this, that the Autel EVO does have a FCC grant date of 2/27/2018. That's it for part 1 today. In part 2, I'm going to go through a recent history of the FCC grant dates and DJI event dates and try to wrap all this up and tie it together and make some sense. So be sure not to miss it. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding drone and drone industry, and of course, anything DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my blog, where I do post all these videos. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!